Alright, these problems, 34 through 37, are translating words into expressions with variables, basically. And what I have is we're going to go through these problems, but I do have a document that I just posted on the website for this class. So here's the Math 045 right up here. And if you go to content, which I'm already in, well, let me hit that anyway. I'm going to hit that. And you look at the table of contents, and if you test reviews is where you find these videos, of course, and study documents is where I loaded a form for you to look at called Translating Word Phrases into Expressions with Variables. So open that up, and when you hit download here, you can open it up all the way so you can fill your screen. And it comes up as a Word document, so as long as you have Word or something that Mac can use as Word, it'll open. And these are some examples of how to look at word expressions to change them into math expressions. So a number plus 9 is a number x plus 9, or 9 plus x. You can do it either way because adding is a commutative property. 7 more than a number. More than also means adding. 7 more than a number. Negative 12 added to a number. Make sure you do a negative 12 plus x, a number, etc. So it's showing you these examples, and you come down here and you look at multiplication and division examples. So those examples are helpful when you're trying to solve these problems. So in these here, which I have here, let's take a look at it. 15 less than a number. The tricky part, this is a different phrase than what I have over here. 15 minus a number is simply 15 minus a number, and anytime you see that phrase, a number, pick a letter and put that in. 15 minus x. A number stands for a variable. So that is that expression. Now, 15 less than a number is different. You have a number where 15 is less than that number. So it's x minus 15. And that's a different thing. So be careful. 15 is less than, it means you subtract it, than a number. Okay, so in this one, 8 divided by a number, that's exactly how it sounds. 8, and then you put the division sign. In this case, you just use so we'll use x divided by a number. We use just a fraction bar for the division. 8 divided by x. And the product, make sure you know the language. Product means is the answer of any two things multiplied. So the number and 9 have to be multiplied in order to make a product. So you can do 9x. So the product of a number and 9 is just 9 times a number. A number subtracted from 6 times the number. So that's two things happening. You need to look at that. 6 times a number. Whenever they say a number and then the number, they're still referring to the same variable. A number subtracted from 6 times the number, so they're still talking about the same number or variable. So let's change this phrase, 6 times the number, into a expression. So 6x, and then you're going to say a number subtracted from 6 times the number. A number subtracted from. So in this situation, a number is subtracted from 6 times a number, because a number is subtracted from 6 times the number. Alright, just be careful with those particular phrases.